Hello children, let's learn three-letter words with the help of an family. A says a and the N says na. An. Children, now we will blend N sound with different consonants to make three-letter words. M says ma. An. Ma and a man. F says fur. An. Fur and a fan. V says v. An. V and a van. P says p. An. P and a pan. Children, now you have learned an word family. So, it's rhyming time. Let's chant with me. An. Ma and a man. F and a fan. V and a van. And P and a pan. Again, an. Ma and a man. F and a fan. V and a van. P and a pan. Learn this at home also.